Your Honor, we're requesting an adjournment. Mr. Beach, I'm providing Mr. Beach a copy with discovery today. He wants to review it all before next.
Before I adjourn it, Mr. Beach, you had any controlled substance today?
No.
Mr. Allen?
No.
You've had nothing. So if I give you a test, you'll come back clean?
Well, this card right here tells me at your community corrections that I can smoke marijuana and I paid money for it. State of Michigan. Say right here, regulatory cannabis. I paid money, taxes. I should be able to medicate. I just had lower back surgery 2 years ago. State of Michigan provides you, the taxpayers.
Okay. Would that be the only thing that would show up in your system?
That's it, Your Honor. I know.
I'm going to pass the matter. I'm going to let him go on his own. Take a test, come back, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do. Despite your ability to use marijuana on that card, you can't be under the influence when you come into court. You understand that?
Yeah, I'm not now. I just woke up. I'm not now.
Oh, you just woke up?
Yeah,
that's why you
girl.
didn't know where to go in the courtroom?
Yeah, I just had a
Yeah,
daughter.
okay. No, I got you.
I've been babysitting her
Okay,
this
yeah.
morning. I just
Okay,
woke up.
I'm hearing you. I'm going to trust you to go over on your own. Let's see what the test is.
I'm not smoking coming on court, Your Honor.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I'm very
Okay.
coherent.
Okay.
I'm
All right.
pretty-
Then you probably ought to stop talking and go take your test.
Okay.
You better, yeah, get an order over to him.
Just a one time.
Mr. Fisher, tell Miss Perrine he better point the way because he's going to get lost.
It's a one time test.
Yeah, just.
One time urine.
What's that? And whispered in my ear, I want what he's smoking. Court, oh, no, you didn't say that. I know. You did not say that. You didn't say that. That just came out of my mouth. I didn't mean that. Court calls the case. People.
We're ready in this matter, Your Honor. Lord Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Ronald Fleming.
Hold on. Miss Perrine, did you lose him?
He went to a test, Your Honor.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Was he? Did you look out the glass to see if he's headed that way?
Mr. Feaster and I watched him go down that long hallway. We said he'll be.
Oh, you just watched him go down that way. You didn't see him come back this way. No, it's okay, Miss Perrine. If he doesn't come back, it's your fault. Go ahead, Mr. Brown. He was positive only for marijuana, but a lot. So he needs to make sure that he's not. Anyway, you'll explain it to him.
I understand, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, what do we need to do today?
We are just asking for an adjournment. We have all the discovery. We're giving it all to Mr. Beach today so he can review before we decide next steps.
Probable cause conference, June 20th, 2024, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. You waived timelines.
We will, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'll set probable cause conference for July 11, 2024,
Thank you, Your Honor.
9 a.m. Defendant's bond. The defendant currently is incarcerated. However, defendant's bond will be set. I'll give him a nominal bond, just so say a 10% bond.
Thank you.
I'll order standard conditions, including no assault behavior, possession of weapons, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug in this matter. All right. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So how do I find out what's going on? I don't know nothing. Like, I haven't talked to nobody about the case. That's
Okay.
my first time just saying call and meet somewhere after 21 years. Like, and last time I was only charged with 1 count of assault. Now it's 2 counts.
Okay. All right. Sir, what
Yeah.
I've done is you now have a public defender. They know where you are. Okay. And they will be contacting you I've set your probable cause conference out about 6 weeks,
All right.
right?
But,
So they'll be in contact with you and, okay?
all right. But you the one who represented me right now, right?
Pardon?
You have represented me today in the courtroom?
I represented you? No.
You spoke on my behalf today.
No, I didn't speak on your behalf.
Who spoke
There
on my
was
behalf
a
today?
hold on.
Oh.
There was a public defender, Mr. Lauren Brown, the deputy chief public defender,
Thanks for the promotion.
spoke on your behalf today.
All right.
Okay, and
So-
that office will be in contact with you.
All right. So my next court date is a probable cause hearing, right?
Exactly. It's a probable cause
So-
hearing. I had to set it out because you're in the Bureau of Prisons. So I set it out 6 weeks to July 11th.
And what would this hearing determine? Is we going forward or what? Like,
Pardon? I'd have to answer yes to that. You'll be making certain determinations after you talk with your attorney about the case.
because they know this case from 21 years ago, right?
That is what the complaint alleges. In my math, you're right. It's 21 years ago.
All right. All right. I guess we'll figure it out.
Pardon?
I said, I guess we'll figure it out over time. I'm lost. I ain't understanding. I was just gonna hopefully get a court date because it don't determine nothing. Like the case that I got that's pending
Mr.
out there.
Prescott?
Yeah.
Mr. Prescott, we'll be in contact with you. We'll be able to talk
All right.
about.
Say no more. Go ahead. Say no more.
Okay. All right.
Is he gone? Okay. All right. I knew that would happen the moment Brown started talking to him. He was fine with me. Court calls.
Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on.
If you talk slower, you think they're gonna show or what? You just
I
here.
did receive a text message from my client when I saw he was.
You always are getting text messages from your
did.
client. Well, what this one say?
Let me pull it out, Judge.
All right.
I text Mr. Howard at 9:27, and I said, "I don't see you in the courtroom. Are you here?" At 9:44, he responded, "I'm on the way." At 9:56, I said, "You close?" Question mark. At 10 o'clock, he said, "Yes, 15 minutes. Have they called me?" At 10:05, I said, "Nope, not yet." So,
10.
so
Where was he coming from?
I have
Ipsy.
no clue. Yeah, I have no clue, Judge. I tried to get him here, Judge. I don't know why he's not present. I'd ask you. Tried.
Let me ask you this.
Yes, sir.
If I pass it and he doesn't show, can I issue a bench warrant and then get my choice of any PD I want to lock up?
That's typical.
I just want to see how much you like that.
If you would excluded me from that list, I might go for that.
Oh, that is so Feaster. It's all about me. Mr. Feaster, I'll pass the matter. Let's see if he shows up.
Thank you,
And then I'll decide who's gonna go.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. So your client here yet?
No, Judge.
Okay, all right, hold on. No, I'm just, we'll keep checking. I'll give you time.
But here is client is now. I'm waiting for the test results, I believe.
He's just throwing Lauren under the bus. Lauren she is just sitting over there. She's like, I am not ready to be called. I do not know why. Yeah, but Feaster doesn't have your clients here? Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Really?
All PDs are secretary.
Okay. Have a seat. I'm not calling.
Oh, okay.
Court calls the case, People versus James Moody. Mr. Feaster thinks he did something. Court calls the case, people verse. Well, I can't. Oh, I can call Feaster. Nope. Just not doing it. Not ready. Just not ready. Not ready, man. Just not ready. If it were Miss Pate's case, I'd call it. Not Feaster. Case people versus Bilal Howard.
With and on behalf of Mr. Bilal Howard, who is present now.
Where were you?
I just had some childcare issues this morning, so I was running a little late.
Oh,
He hasn't had that.
that's
problem
not what
before.
Feaster said.
I got
He
him.
was making every excuse in the book for you.
I actually like Mr. Howard. I think he's a
Do you?
good young man. I do, Judge. And so I'm optimistic.
I did till this morning
I apologize.
when he didn't show up.
Well, I don't think he has a history of not showing up. He normally makes it. This is an
No, I
exception.
know. That's why I was giving a break.
Yeah.
He was communicating with
He
you.
was. And he told me it won't happen again. So he apologized. Now,
I don't believe him. Go ahead.
so he is working situation resolved. I have been in contact with the people on this situation. It is not yet resolved and completed and resolved. If we can maybe go out 3 or 4 weeks, hopefully by then it'll be done. Well, I just want to make sure we come back as
In
meetings.
4 weeks, Howard will forget. And then we're gonna be,
We can do 2, but then we might have to push it out another week, and I don't want to have to just clog your docket with unnecessary court dates, Judge.
like he's doing now when I have to pass this case.
That's an exception. It's a bench warrant
It's
situation.
okay. No, he made it down, so.
Thank you, Judge.
Good, sir. Mr. Feaster was keeping us informed of where you were, so you weren't immediately in any jeopardy of anything happening. Probable cause conference, I'll adjourn to June 27th.
Thank you, Judge.
Work itself out, 2024 at 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr. Howard.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.